Hi, I'm Jerry Armitage with Utility Trailer of Dallas. I'm the operations manager, been here 21 years. We started in 1991. In 1997, we built a full-line dealership here in South Dallas. We've realized in today's working environment that a cooler or a warmer employee works much better than when it's cold or when it's extremely hot. So we've invested in a urethane to be sprayed inside of our shop, for the same urethane that's shot in our trailers that we're known for. We built on an addition 20,000 square foot shop. When it come time to insulate that shop, we called on DFW Urethane to come out and insulate it. We have had some large fans put in. We're fixing to open up here in the early part of 2019. We are known to be the #1 reefer trailer in the world. It's due to the installation of those trailers.
I'm John Ewell at DFW Urethane, and we're here at Utility Trailer. We sprayed all the polyurethane foam insulation inside their building. This building's got close to an R25 insulation value in it, in the walls and in the ceiling. And your other building over there's just got conventional fiberglass insulation. One of the things that we did a little different on this one is we coated everything white in the ceiling, so the lighting should be a lot better in here. It's going to be a state-of-the-art trailer shop. I don't think there will be anything like it in the whole Dallas-Fort Worth area.
No, I don't think so either. It will be the top line.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it.
Thank you, John.
Thanks for letting us do your job.
You betcha. Thank you.
If you are building a new facility and want the most efficient insulation available, please give us a call at DFW Urethane, 972-222-8462.